In today's interconnected world, intelligence is seamlessly woven into our lives through the Internet of Things, or IoT. At the heart of this transformation are embedded semiconductors, the unsung heroes powering our devices and driving innovation across industries. The rise of IoT. The Internet of Things has revolutionized how we live, work, and interact. From smart homes to industrial automation, IoT has made our world smarter and more efficient. The power of embedded semiconductors. The Internet of Things has revolutionized how we live, work, and interact. From smart homes to industrial automation, IoT has made our world smarter and more efficient. Trend 1. Ultra-low power consumption. As IoT devices become more ubiquitous, energy efficiency is paramount. The semiconductor industry is driving innovation in ultra-low power consumption, allowing devices to operate for extended periods on a single battery charge. Trend 2. AI at the edge. The rise of artificial intelligence is changing the game. Embedded semiconductors now possess the capability to process AI algorithms locally, at the edge, reducing the need for constant cloud connectivity and ensuring real-time decision-making. Trend 3. Enhanced security. With IoT devices handling sensitive data, security is paramount. Embedded semiconductors are incorporating advanced encryption and authentication techniques to safeguard data from unauthorized access, making our digital lives safer. Trend 4. Wireless connectivity. Seamless connectivity is the backbone of IoT. Modern embedded semiconductors are equipped with a variety of wireless communication protocols, enabling devices to communicate effortlessly with each other and with the cloud. Beyond IoT. While IoT has transformed our present, embedded semiconductor trends are paving the way for an even more exciting future. Think smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and unprecedented levels of automation. Conclusion. In the journey of connecting intelligence, embedded semiconductors are the driving force behind the scenes, enabling a world where devices seamlessly interact and adapt to enhance our lives. As we look ahead, let's embrace the potential of these tiny chips, for they hold the power to shape a smarter, more connected world for generations to come.